How to send photos and videos on Messenger app. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to send photos and videos on Messenger app. Let's get started. First, open Messenger application on your device and tap on this chat right here. This is where you can see all your friends with whom you have started chat. Now just go ahead and tap on the friend. Open the chat to whom you wanna send photos and videos to. Now once you are here, tap on this gallery icon right here and select the video and photo from your gallery like this. You can select multiple videos like this. Now once you select it, tap on the send and it will be sent. You can also select the photo like this, multiple, and change it to HD from here and just tap on send and it will be sent to them directly. That's it. This is how easy it is to send photos on Messenger. Hope this video helped out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.